Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you the only one little piece of equipment that you guys need if you want to start treating your pectus with exercise. So firstly, let me say, obviously it's more ideal to be training in a fully equipped gym so we can have access to all the different machines, all the variety of exercises, all the variety of loading, so we can, hit progressive overload, mix up the training in the different phases. Most of my client results are from fully equipped gyms. That being said, I've had plenty of client results from at-home training as well. Just with a basic setup of equipment. I've got videos on that, if you're going to set up a full home gym. But in this video, I'm going to cover literally if you could only have one piece of equipment, say you're traveling or you're on a super budget or a fundamental starting point, and I assign a program just using this equipment for a lot of my clients as well. Because sometimes they're really young, 12, 13, so I'm just using it for them to get a base in conjunction with bodyweight exercises, or sometimes their lifestyle circumstances, that's all they can have, and that you do get great results with this equipment. Okay, and so what it is resistance bands. Okay, these long loopy ones, you can get them off Amazon, super cheap and easy and fast. And so why they're so great is they give us the tool for a variety of exercises, okay? And also most people starting this journey, starting my training, are quite a beginner. So it is just a really kind of beginner friendly basic setup to get you started and get you used to working those muscles, to start growing those muscles. The great thing about them is you can buy them in a pack, so you have a variety of resistance bands. For example, this red one's really thin, so it's good for like a fly. This one's a bit thicker, so it's good for like a face pull. Then I've got a thicker one for a row. And so, because we want to be training near intensity at an intensity where we're near failure and stimulating the muscle. So we need the variety of thicknesses, so it's appropriate stimulus, appropriate resistance for the movement, okay, to make it hard. We don't want it to just be too easy, okay? But yeah, the great thing about it is, in that pack with the variety of ones, you just scrunch them up into a bag and it's super portable. So if you're traveling or something like that, it's just so easy, so lightweight, you can take anywhere. You can't really take dumbbells on flight with you. So for my clients that, have a very professional, where they're traveling around the world for their job, which is actually a fair few of my clients, these are great. So I'll just show you a couple of exercises and examples of movements you can do with them that, I program for my clients with them. So now in this example, I'm going to do a unilateral row. This is something I program a lot with them. So we're just rowing, squeezing, full range of motion, all the way out and all the way back. Just like this, okay? Really trying to feel the lats engage, holding that contraction and back. And then obviously you do the same on the other side. Unilateral movements is a big portion of my training, and I use them a lot with bands. So we're getting core stability with this unilateral to stop ourselves from just leaning into it too much, okay? So great movement, working the back, opening up that posture. Developing the back's a key thing for creating a more natural default of better posture. When you have no development back muscles, you default like this, okay? So something I program for my clients a lot. Now, another exercise I'm going to show you guys that we do with it is a banded twist. So again, working the core, a key part of the training as well for the abs and the obliques. And when we're doing a rotational ab movement, we're really getting the obliques. Okay, so obviously rib flare annoys a lot of you guys, and I found training my abs and obliques definitely helped with that. So really just twisting into the movement with our obliques controlling it. Another example of a movement we can do is a banded single arm chest fly. Obviously building the chest is a key part of my training as well. So really feeling the fibers around the indent, developing this unilateral portion where we have a muscular imbalance between our pecs is great for an asymmetrical pectus as well. Now they're great, but it's not as good as dumbbells, barbells, cables. There's not much tension on the eccentric with bands, and the eccentrics are a really key portion. So obviously it is more ideal if we can get a gym membership, but it's a really great starting point, super beginner friendly, super cheap, super lightweight. You can take them anywhere you want, so I definitely recommend it, guys. You know, it's just a good thing to have if you are ever traveling, you know, because this is a lifestyle. As I say to my clients when they sign up is, you know, we're not in this just for 5 weeks, 10 weeks, you know, we're in this forever. And if you're signing up and telling me you can only sign up for a couple months because then you're going to travel, well, you're going to lose the results in the month you take off. We want to make exercising part of our routines, part of our habit, even when we're traveling. And so by having access to this and taking this, and then I assign you a banded program whilst you're away, it's, you know, we're making sure there's no excuses. We're making sure that this is part of our life, and it should be part of your life for health in general anyway. So if you're interested in coaching, links in the description, so click on that, book a strategy call to meet me personally. Then from there, I'll assess your pectus, make sure I can help you and help you achieve whatever your goals may be. And then we'll get you signed up and I'll assign you a program that's going to fit for you. So if you're interested, link is in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye.